Good morning, this is Jack from Chartered Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Monday, the 21st of July. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing, learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. I'm not here to issue trading signals. Right, let's have a look at Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin, we've been consolidating for a few days now. So nothing. I'm still expecting to see a retest of this high and probably a bit higher. We do have a possible trend line target up here at about the 135 to 140 area. That would be obviously a stronger target if we had managed to hit the rising support on the last move down. But nonetheless, I'm quite liking it. In terms of the short-term pattern, we have a very nice looking rising wedge here, and I'm thinking we may be topping out for a move down into wedge support. That ideally would first involve a retest of this high here at 123.2k. So I'm expecting to see that. Looking at Solana on the daily chart, we've been making good progress, and we've almost made it to the IHS neckline, which I've marked in. Weekly pivots at 174.51. I was looking for a retest of the high here at 187.67 next, and we have seen that over the weekend. I'm liking it. We've got some decent looking support down in the mid 170s now. We've got the annual pivot as well on 177.43, but it isn't quite converted yet. We do have on the hourly chart a fixed hourly RSI 14 sell signal, but I would say that this last move has actually taken place since that is fixed. We've obviously got this overall IHS setup here. I'm a bit doubtful about this making target under the overall circumstances here, but while equities are topping out, I was saying that we could see significantly more upside on crypto, and so far that's what we've been seeing apart from on Bitcoin. Looking at Ethereum, Ethereum getting pretty overbought on the daily RSI 14 and the RSI 5. This is actually now more overbought than it's been at any point previously on this chart in the last couple of years. We're getting pretty close to the target here, which is the retest of this high here at 4109.05, but we have hit a potential resistance area. This is the trend line that I was watching for potential resistance, and we've hit it, and we're retesting it. And I'm thinking we might see some retracement here. So bigger picture, the main target is 4109.05. That's getting pretty close, and I'm leaning towards us actually making that. I do not believe this is done to the upside, but I think we're getting to a point where we might start setting up some negative divergence on the daily charts with a retracement. And we do also have a 60 minutes, an hourly RSI 14 sell signal fixed here, although as with Solana, that was before this latest move up, which has been very encouraging. But this has hit the trendline resistance that I was looking at here. I am wondering whether we will find some resistance here, do some retracement, possibly even see a big enough retracement to see the support trend line. We will see. But this is an obvious resistance level, but I do not believe this is done to the upside yet, but we shall see. All right, great. Let's have a quick look at questions, of which we have none. In that case, I think that's a wrap. I'll catch everyone tomorrow morning, and everyone take care.